The shoe used to be called the Huarache Run. This colorway is now the Huarache Airborne. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Huarache Run in the Camo colorway. This colorway is paired with the Desert Camo colorway that we're going to be unboxing and reviewing soon. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first ever true camo colorway. We've gotten a snow camo colorway a couple years back, but there's never been either a desert camo or a regular camo colorway until now. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Cargo Khaki, Bolt, and Sequoia. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features the neoprene upper, completely covered in camo, with a couple of green hits all over the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the Sequoia green toe box, as well as the neoprene toe cap in an army fatigue color. You've got the neoprene tongue in the same print as the toe cap is. And you also have a Volt green Huarache logo on the tongue tag. The insole is green with a Volt green Nike swoosh. For the lateral, you've got the neoprene base, as well as the Huarache overlay panels in Sequoia green. For the heel, you've got the rubber spoiler with the Nike logo in Sequoia green, as well as the neoprene base under the spoiler. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the neoprene base, as well as the Sequoia green overlay panels. The midsole is Sequoia green, and this is standard Huarache midsole. And for the outsole, you've got this purplish tint under a Sequoia green base. I'm a big fan of this colorway. I don't know why it took Nike so long for them to come out with a camo Huarache, but now that they have, I'm definitely glad I picked this one up, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for the rest of the summer. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Nike Air Huarache Run Camo will hit Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.